Mache. First, I'm going to tear the paper into small pieces. As you can see, I have a lot here. Now, I'm going to put water in the basin. I'm going to let it sit for more than 1 hour because it's newspaper. Because it's not newspaper, I mean. It's a different type of paper. Yep. Now I'll be squeezing the water out of the paper. I'm going to prepare my molds. First, I'm going to dip my brush into the used cooking oil and spread it around my mold evenly. I'm going to place glue into the dried paper. Fill my mold with the paper mache. 'Now we're going to close it and put it under the sun. Slowly. There. Time to put it under the sun. Sun and let dry. This might take a while. 2 days later, and the molds are dry. Now let's see what they look like. Nice and carefully. Wow! Wait, my hair's stuck in them. Now it's time to put the white base all over them. Hours later, the base is all dried. Now it's time to add color. Now we're going to paint the stem and the leaves. Okay, now the leaves. Alright, I forgot the other stem. Leaves. Now I'm going to paint the center with complementary colors. This was my mold, and these are my finished product. Perfect wall decors. I also placed glitter glue on top of it so it still has to dry. Anyways, see you next time. Bye!